Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, a land where the mountains touch the clouds, where rivers sing through green valleys, and where silence rests beneath endless skies. Here, the world still breathes in its purest form, untamed, unhurried, and eternal. Across this land of vast horizons, the Tien Shan Mountains rise like ancient guardians. Their peaks are crowned with snow. Their shadows stretch across golden plains. The wind moves through the valleys, carrying whispers of stories older than memory. Every stone, every stream, feels alive with time. The mountains are not just part of the landscape. They are the soul of Kyrgyzstan. In the heart of the country lies Issyk-Kul, the warm lake that never freezes. Its waters shimmer like liquid glass, reflecting the surrounding peaks in shades of silver and blue. At dawn, mist drifts softly across the surface, and the sun paints light across the waves. It is a place where the earth and sky merge, and every ripple carries the calm of centuries. Beyond the lake, winding roads lead through deep gorges and alpine meadows. Shepherds guide their flocks along narrow trails, their silhouettes fading into the mountain mist. In these highlands, the air is thin and clear, and the world feels suspended between heaven and earth. You hear only the wind, the water, and the quiet strength of life that endures. Journey further, and the land opens wide. Yurts stand like white pearls across the meadows, home to nomads who live close to the rhythm of nature. Their herds move freely across the plains, guided by stars, seasons, and memory. When night falls, smoke rises from distant tents, and the laughter of children echoes softly through the valley. It is a way of life untouched by time, simple, balanced, and beautiful. The valleys of Kyrgyzstan breathe with life. Wildflowers bloom beside crystal streams, and eagles glide high above the cliffs. In the forests, tall pines stand like sentinels of silence, their roots deep in the earth, their branches reaching for the sky. Every breeze carries the scent of rain and grass, and the land itself feels alive, a harmony of sound and stillness. To the south, the landscapes grow vast and wild. Deserts fade into rocky canyons, their red walls glowing in the fading light. Here, silence is not empty, it is sacred. It is the sound of the world remembering itself. Under a sky filled with stars, the earth feels infinite, and every breath becomes a quiet prayer. In Song-Kul, the great high mountain lake, the horizon stretches beyond imagination. Nomads bring their herds here each summer, their horses grazing under skies that never end. Beyond the peaks and plains, Kyrgyzstan holds a rare stillness, a silence that heals, a space that feels infinite. It is a country shaped not by time, but by the breath of the earth itself. Every sunrise over the mountains feels like creation reborn, every sunset a prayer written in gold and shadow. What makes Kyrgyzstan truly special is not what it shows, but what it makes you feel. It reminds us that peace is not found in noise, but in the quiet heartbeat of nature. Here, among mountains and skies without end, you remember what it means to simply exist. Kyrgyzstan is not just a country, it is a reflection of freedom and the soul's return to silence.